What is the primary need that a woman wants from her husband? What's the primary emotion? That is the continual love and the continual enveloping of that attention, that the husband always makes his wife his priority. The husband always shows his wife that I'm thinking about you, I'm caring about you, I will always love you. They need to be constantly reassured that their husbands love them, that their husbands always take them as number one, always. Brothers, listen to this. Wives, do not take your love for granted. You take your wife's loves for granted. A woman is always double guessing. Does he still love me? Does he still think about me? Does he still care about me? Does he still put me number one? And therefore, a woman has to have constant reassurance. And not only this, but another issue that men need to be sensitive to and understand. Women are very conscious of their looks, and they're comparing their looks with other women all the time. Am I still beautiful enough for him? Does he still think me attractive? Maybe I've gained a few pounds. Maybe after the third kid, this and that. She's always double guessing her looks. And so the husband always has to make her feel the most beautiful, the most cherished, the most loved, the most admired. Though she always wants these reassurances. How does he do this? Number one, never underestimate the power of speech. Simply saying, I love you. For women, it never goes out of fashion. They always love to hear this phrase. Our Prophet ﷺ and Aisha were joking once, and Aisha said to the Prophet ﷺ, كَيْفَ حُبُّكَ لِي? How much do you love me? How is your love for me? And our Prophet ﷺ said, and he gave a beautiful, metaphorical, poetic expression. He said, my love for you is like the tight knot that cannot be unbound. Praising her and what she does. Husbands, never take your wife's actions for granted. Suppose she is cooking and cleaning most of the time. Never take it for granted. Always, once in a while, come and compliment her. MashaAllah, that was great. You know, I really appreciate what you're doing for me. Another thing that the woman wants is time. For women, time means undivided quality attention. You have to give what the woman wants, and in return, she will give what you want. You make her feel like she's number one, guess what? She'll make you feel like you're number one. And that's exactly what marriage is all about.